Okay, so it's gonna be time to install this adapter plate. So you have to undo it from the supercharger body, and then it's gonna come with the two O-rings right here. So as you guys can see, I have the intake installed, all cleaned up, ready to go. And we're gonna install the plate with the intercooler in it, and then the supercharger body. Okay, let's go ahead and do that. Okay. Okay, so I just installed the map sensor, which is down right there. But this is a provided bracket, so that is the way it goes. Okay, so now the next step I will be doing, I'm gonna take this out. I gotta relocate this and attach it to the air box brackets. And this is a bracket that comes in the kit. So this one's gonna go, let's see, just like that. So to be attached to this box right here, the air cleaner box. Let me show you guys, hold on. Okay, so we're gonna take that from here, take this bracket off completely, and then this is gonna go just like that, and it'll bolt down into it'll be attached to this box right here, the one that's right here. So I gotta make those holes on the box. The box is right there. So I'm gonna do that right now and come back when it's done. Okay. All right, so I'm still waiting for my injectors. I haven't got the injectors yet. All right, when I was making the video, my son comes yelling at me, "Hey, the mailman is here." So they brought me a box. So he gave me this box, and look what it is, guys. Winter coat. They sent me this nice hat. Fits me well. Hopefully. What do you guys think? Looks good? I hope so, huh? Alright, so what else do we have in here? Oh, little decal. TC, tuner coat. Alright, so I'm gonna put that somewhere over here in one of my walls and enjoy my hat. Okay, so this is the bracket that we're not gonna be using anymore. So just, you can sell this one. But, I mean, I don't think you can sell it, but you know, save it if you want. Yeah, this is a useless bracket now. I was gonna save it for now. Okie dokie, guys. So I'm gonna go ahead and wait on that bracket because I need to make holes. This one doesn't come with any holes. This is from Lightning, but it's not the one that comes with the tuner kit. Remember, I bought the kit that I bought is the race kit, so it's not gonna come with this adapter right here. So I'm gonna wait on that bracket because I don't want the throttle cable to be on the way in between the power steering and all that. So I'm gonna wait on that bracket, and then I do that last. Like I said, I have to make the holes for those brackets. I'm gonna go ahead and put it just like that. So what I'm gonna do next, I'm gonna gap my spark plugs. I already got them. I just called my tuner and he said to gap them at 28. So it's 0.28 thousandths of an inch. And what I'm using right now is a filler gauge. So if you guys can tell, 20 and then 8 thousandths. Okay, so let's check to see how they are right now. So yeah, they're a little over. They're about 4 thousandths clearance. Okay, so the way I like to do this, you know, I just tap it. I need to get something. I'm gonna do it right here on the battery because this one's soft. So I'll go ahead and close it just like that. All right. So there it is. As long as you can feel some tension right there, just a little bit. Okay, so we're good there. Okay, so we got this one. Go ahead and set it over here. And this is why you need to check your spark plugs, remember? So I don't know what happened here, but the insulator inside and the electric, it's gone. So before they were in 2 and 3, number 2 and 3 piston. So I'm gonna go ahead and check those 2 cylinders. I'm gonna use my bore scope and try to see if there's any damage. The truck was misfiring, but just a little bit. So I think those pieces just came out of the exhaust right away. Because now, before I took it all apart, it sounded like it has a piece of metal inside the exhaust. It's rattling. So I'm thinking they just went out the exhaust right away and they didn't cause any damage. You know, I've seen this happen before, and most of the time, you know, nothing happens unless it's a big piece, you know, and it gets in between the valve and the seat. So, but I'm still gonna check it just to be on the safe side. I mean, like I said, there was no check engine light, no misfiring codes, no nothing like that. So, but yep, look at this shit, man. And this spark plug is only like 10,000 miles, less than a year old, because they had just done the EGR delete on this truck back in Houston. I don't know who did it. I don't want to say who did it. You know, shit happens. All they did is install them. That's it. They didn't make them. Yeah. So this is what happened. It might have been a defect with the spark plug themselves, but it's weird because it's 2. You know, if it was 1, then yeah, maybe a defective spark plug, but it's 2, and they're on this side, the passenger side. So let me go ahead and gap the rest of the spark plugs to 28 thousandths, okay, and we'll bore scope that, and I'll let you guys see what's in there. Okay, all right, guys. So now that we have the spark plugs installed, I use this N96 lubricant. Make sure you use this, especially on Fords. Man, these fucking Fords, I've had hard times with these Fords. Okay, so it says to install this plug. I couldn't find these plugs, but they also recommend this TR6s. So we'll forget about that. These spark plugs are two ranges colder. So we're gonna torque that to 25 foot-pounds. Okay, so I don't know if you guys can tell. Torque, let's see. Focus. 25. I don't know if you guys can see, but there it is, 25. Okay. Put you guys back on my head. I'm gonna go ahead and torque this spark plugs to 25 foot-pounds. Okay, so we're gonna start for 90 and go. Don't stop. Okay. So there it is. Now I gotta do this side, but like I mentioned, I'm gonna do the bore scope on those 2 cylinders, and if everything looks okay, I'm just gonna put the spark plug back in.